What's up, people? Welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan for Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing video, guys. Today I will be doing a video. Later on today I will be doing another live stream, of course, but first I want to give you guys a quick update what I currently think about the market. So in this video we'll be particularly talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, setting new all-time highs. Very exciting times here. What are we going to do with Ethereum? There are a lot of gains to be made right now, but we also have to be very careful with our decisions that we're currently taking. So in this video we will be discussing the price section. So if you're interested, make sure to right away smash up these likes, guys. Can we be smashing up to 400 likes? That will be absolutely insane. If you also have some questions for me, make sure to drop them in the comment section below here. That will be, of course, very amazing. So let's get right away into the video. So first of all, to start off the video, let's begin with Bitcoin. So yesterday we could see Bitcoin was falling off a bit here since the all-time high. Of course, once you're in price discovery, you can see some corrections coming in here, and you can't go up in a straight line. But I really like this correction, and the reason why here, it's because I said it yesterday as well here on the channel. I said yesterday, guys, once we are having a previous all-time high retest for Bitcoin, and there is one necessary for Bitcoin, I will be looking to add more to my position. So what did I did here? I exactly did what I said. Always put your money where your mouth is here. So yes, I added more to my position once retesting the all-time high because, guys, it is always such a nice and such an important level that you do want to be retesting. So you can see here all-time high getting created, and over here we got rejected, and right now we are retesting it. And the 4-hourly candle perfectly wicked to the lower side here, so that is absolutely beautiful. I do think this was necessary before moving higher. And also, of course, if you're talking about CME gaps that are still over there, none of them has been filled yet here. It was just a retest of the 61.4K here. But guys, it's a perfect retest. I definitely love it. And I don't think we are going to fill the CME gaps in the immediate short term. So I do think we're going to move higher. And also my reason why here is I will be going into MACD. I will be identifying the momentum of Bitcoin in a second. But look at this. We are currently having on the 1-hourly candle. We set up this Fibonacci 2 from the swing low, as you can see over here, to the swing high. And we are identifying retracement levels because that will be very important. And for me, what I do really want to be seeing here is that we're going to break through the 63.4K, and that's approximately the 0.236 level. If we're going to smash through this level, we're definitely going to set a new all-time high. But if we're going to see a stealth rejection from this level, guys, we're seeing a dead cat bounce, and we can be maybe looking for lower lows. So this can be potentially a very important level that we have to be breaking through. So let's see how the next few hours are going to develop for the price section of Bitcoin. And you can already see the golden pocket entry always providing good support. As you can see, 3-hourly closes below. But if you looked at the 4-hourly candles, guys, yeah, we were only seeing a fake out to the downside. So is it really a breakdown? No, I don't see so. I still see that the golden pocket entry is supporting us. Golden pocket, of course, 0.382, but it is looking particularly good. And also, if I flip onto the MACD, guys, let's look at some indicators. Let's first begin at the daily candles. As you can see over here, the daily uptrend is still in play here right now. We are still having a daily crossover to the upside. It's looking particularly good, and there can be a possibility that the momentum is going to cool off for a second, maybe for a couple days here, maybe 1 or 2 days. Momentum is going to cool off, and then we can be curving once again back to the upside. But it can also be just a highly likely scenario that we're just going to create a new high here in the momentum wave. So yes, guys, we're still on an uptrend. There's nothing to worry about. People are getting freaked out already, but you have to know, of course, the news from Coinbase launching on Nasdaq. It is just driving the market, guys. It is massive news. It's all going all over the world here. We're making huge steps here in the cryptocurrency space. So guys, this is of course a part of the revolution. But for Bitcoin, I do think it's particularly looking good here. Also, if you flip on to the EMA ribbon, you can see in the 4-hour, EMA ribbon is still supporting us. We are still in an uptrend, and the EMA ribbon is providing the uptrend as well. But the only thing that's a little bit concerning here, and I flipped to MACD away already, but you can see over here on the 4-hourly MACD, so we're in the 4-hour. We were in an uptrend, but since here setting a lower high in the momentum wave, you can see also we have a bearish crossover on this MACD over here. So this, of course, pretty unfortunate because this can be maybe identifying that we are going to see a downtrend getting started on the 4-hour. And once the downtrend is started on the 4-hour, it can maybe be dragging the daily momentum also to the downside. So let's see what we're going to do. Hopefully we can still invalidate that one. I don't want to be seeing a breakthrough to the upside, just like I told you before, through the 63.4K before flipping extremely bullish. But guys, then I want to be talking a little bit about Ethereum because, guys, yes, we've been looking at Ethereum. Ethereum is absolutely crushing it right now, guys. We're almost at $2,500. Major resistance target around to $2,518. But guys, it is getting very exciting. I think this is very exciting. The price chart is very exciting. We're setting new all-time highs. And of course, since breaking this resistance line, we approximately surged already 13% to the upside. So we were, of course, anticipating this on the channel, but yeah, Ethereum is showing huge follow-through, but guys, you have to know we're right now once again sitting at price discovery, forming a bearish divergence. There can be a probability that Ethereum is going to reverse maybe a little bit to the downside, but I mean, this is just very likely that Ethereum is going to gain. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I think Ethereum is lagging behind, and I think Binance token is right now currently stealing the show, but it's definitely Ethereum that is worth to grow right now. So it looks particularly good here. I do think that we're heading towards the 6K in this oncoming bull cycle. So is this the beginning? Yes. Are you smart with just holding your Ethereum right now? Yes, definitely, you're doing an insane good job here. So also for me, I'm just going to sit on my Ethereum for quite a while still. Not looking to sell it yet. But I mean, we're right now on price discovery. Also, if you look to the MACD right now, on the 4 hour, you can see we started a new uptrend, and especially on the daily candles, I really like the momentum that we are identifying on the price section of Ethereum. Because on the daily candles, you can see a clear uptrend getting started, and right now we're still looking particularly good here. So yeah, since approximately since the 17th or 19th of February, we started this uptrend. We were consolidating, of course, around these levels, and we moved to the upside. So it's looking particularly good, bullish. We're still very bullish on the MACD. The momentum is still basically to the upside, even though on the daily we are not sending any bearish divergence from the previous high. But on the 4 hourly, yes, we are sending a bearish divergence over here and a bearish divergence over here. So that's the thing that's making me feel a little bit concerning, guys. And that can be maybe a signal that we're going to see a minor reversal. So also, if you look at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, guys, this is as completely as expected, because you can't say that we haven't talked about this one, how the market structure will be developing for the price section of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So if you look to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, you can see here previous resistance. Since breaking it, we moved higher, and right now you were not holding on to the support. You were finding support a little bit here, but since breaking below it, you were retesting this level, got rejected. Then you move above it, and then you're finding support on it. Then you're creating a downsloping resist line on the lower time frames. And since breaking the resist line, guys, you can see perfect breakout, and you see the follow-through is getting created. So like I told everyone already, we were anticipating a move from here on to approximately all top as well here. So it's a 31% increase compared to Bitcoin. And right now already seeing the first surge to the upside. And this approximately 12%. So I mean, I've been saying this for quite a while right now, and I do think that we're definitely going to see the follow-through getting created, especially if you look to this chart as well. So there's also a chart that I look at for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and as you can see here, we're bouncing from the lower side, and we were discussing this level for the whole month of March. We were telling to everyone, please buy Ethereum right now compared to Bitcoin. Maybe scale and so in Bitcoin to Ethereum. We were saying this every single day here. And as you can see here, also showing the follow-through. And I don't think that we are over yet. I don't think that we're done yet. We're approximately going to go to this previous all-time high for, not all-time high, but this previous high for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. But it's definitely looking very bullish. I do think we're not done yet here with Ethereum compared to Bitcoin gaining in the chart. So looking forward to see where we're heading towards. But I definitely feel extremely bullish on it. And guys, also a thing that I do want to be discussing here. This is the last thing that we'll be discussing, because this video is not all too long. But this video will be going, I mean, this chart will be about the link compared to Bitcoin chart. So yesterday on the channel, I don't know if you already know it, but yesterday on the channel, we made a special video about Chainlink going towards $40. And the thing that we do want to be seeing here is the breakout of this symmetrical triangle. So, guys, we are currently having a perfect breakout on the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. We are absolutely going to the moon with Chainlink. I can't feel any better. And yesterday, it was not even a better timing to make the video. So, guys, I definitely think that Chainlink is heading towards $1 sooner than you expected. It is looking absolutely bullish in my opinion. Can't wait to see where once Chainlink is going to see the follow-through getting created. But I mean, already, guys, in this chart, you can see highest daily candle close yesterday put in, also new all-time high, of course. But you can see crushing through this high here, closing the daily candle above it. It is looking absolutely bullish. I mean, it can still be a probability that we are going to see a retest, because if we're going to see it retest over here, it will be also in the link compared to Bitcoin chart over here. Maybe we can get a retest as well over here. So if we're getting a retest in these charts, that will be absolutely beautiful. Also providing you another opportunity, if you haven't already, accumulate your position on Chainlink, because yes, yesterday we made a video, and if you still want to be signing up, if you want to be a leverage trading link, it is a very good job here. If you are, let's say, using a low leverage, I think you're going to absolutely crush it. But guys, I can't wait to see where Chainlink is heading towards. I mean, just like we were expecting XRP to go as that new all-time highs, we were right now doing it with the price action of Link, and we already did it over here at the lower side. So, guys, make sure to read the video. If you make sure, I will be putting it into the screen right now, but make sure to watch this video as well if you haven't already. But guys, thank you so much for watching to this amazing video. Quick update. Hopefully, I'm going to see you back later on today with another live stream here on the channel. And don't forget to stay crypto, and peace out. Goodbye.